Look, it's a really common question that we get around, is now the right time to be investing? Because the media talk about the interest rate rises as if the world's going to end. The reality is that interest rates don't just go up because it's Wednesday. They go up in relation to, or in response to, a range of different factors. So let's think about a few of them. If interest rates are going up, is economic growth up or down? It's up, right? If economic growth is up, is the demand for jobs and the job market really strong? Yes, it is. If the job market's strong and workers are in demand, wages are up. And if wages are up, can people afford to pay more for property? Absolutely. Can they afford to pay more in rent? Absolutely. So there are a whole range of positive factors for us as property investors that come as a byproduct of interest rates going up, and that's personally why I say to my clients, I like it when interest rates go down because my portfolio gets cheaper to hold, but I love it when interest rates go up because I would much rather make a couple of $100,000 in capital growth if it costs me an extra $20 a week per property. So what I'd do if I were you, Brett, come along to our next webinar. That'll give you 75 minutes of ripper information around all of the fundamentals, where we see the market, where the opportunities are and how it works. Give you a really good understanding, and then get in touch and we can have a look at your personal situation.